What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so my dear friends, this time I'm going to teach you how to make an OBS template for teachers, or just in case if you are trying to record an output through OBS, okay? Then we definitely need to create at least our own template, okay, to make it even more creative. There are so many templates that we may download on the internet, but it's better for us to make our own. Okay, this time actually in my case I am using Adobe Photoshop in making my template in OBS in my recordings. Okay, but this time I'm going to teach you how to use PowerPoint presentation in making a template. Okay, so as you can see, my dear friends, I'm already in my MS PowerPoint workspace right now. All right, then this time we're just going to use two things. First one, we have picture as our background and different shapes. Well, the design will always depend on you if what particular design are you going to choose. But this time I'm going to choose an image as a background in my OBS template. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Insert. Then let's just align this one. Shift. There you go. So this is my background for my OBS template. Well, I'm advising you to use 16:9. How to resize the slide size. Okay. Just proceed to designs. Then proceed to slide size. Then always choose widescreen or 16:9. Okay. Next one, let's insert shapes wherein we may insert our video, okay, our face while we are teaching. Or yes, shape. I'm going to use this square. Then I want to put my video here, my face while I'm speaking, okay. And let's just change the shape to black. There you go. Resize. Okay. The next, my dear students, that will be on my video, okay, my face while I'm discussing. Control C, Control V. This one will be for the name or the subject, and this one for B, the lesson and the subtopic. Okay. There you go. This shape will be for my video. This one for my lesson. Okay, so for example, lesson 1, sentences. Lesson 2, nouns. Okay, this one grade level. Grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, and grade 3. All right. The next, we may also insert here another shape. Okay, in which we may include the name of our school or our company. Okay, this one. There you go. Shape fill. You may insert here later on the name of your company. Okay. The next, my dear students, the most important thing. I'm going to copy this one. The shape in which we may insert or lay out our PowerPoint presentation later on if we're already teaching. Okay. There you go. As simple as that, my dear students. You're done. For example, this is for my title, for the name of my company. This is for the PowerPoint presentation. This is for the grade level, the lesson, and the specific topic, and for my video capture device, for my face while I am teaching. Okay, friends, if you're done with this one, you may just then save it as JPEG. Okay. Go to File, then click Save As, Browse. I'm going to put this one in my desktop. Then Save As type, choose JPEG. And save just this one because we only have one slide. There you go. Now, if I'm going to open OBS right now, okay, if I'm going to insert an image here, image. Okay, then I'm going to browse it and look for the image that we've just created. Desktop, and there you go. Open. Okay. And this is our template. And we just then need to send this one backward. There you go. If I'm going to align my video here right now, there you go. That is my video while I am teaching. Here's for my presentation, the name of my company, grade level, and the lesson number and the specific topic. That's it for now, my dear friends. Hope you've learned something, and see you again next time. Bye-bye.